The Prosthetic Joint Force Interactive Calculator helps engineers analyze mechanical stresses and forces in prosthetic joint designs. This calculator offers 5 calculation modes: calculate joint reaction force, calculate contact stress, calculate equivalent body weight, calculate safety factor, and estimate fatigue cycle life. For this demonstration, I've selected Calculate Joint Reaction Force. The activity type dropdown provides options for walking at 1.5 times body weight, stair climbing at 2.5, running at 3.5, jumping at 5.0, or a custom multiplier. I'm using walking for this example. Let me walk through a calculation using these inputs. Body weight 75 kilograms, contact area 350 square millimeters, material yield strength 900 MPa, ultimate tensile strength 950 MPa, stress amplitude 120 MPa, and fatigue strength at 10 to the 6 cycles of 450 MPa. After clicking Calculate, the results show a joint reaction force of 1103.6 newtons, which equals 1.50 times body weight. This confirms our walking activity multiplier is correctly applied to the 75 kilogram body weight, giving us the expected joint loading force during normal walking conditions. This tool streamlines prosthetic joint analysis for various loading scenarios. Find the link in the description below.